In this video, I'll show you how to set up a powerful navigation experience using the Smart Category menu in the Volume Shopify theme. You'll learn how to define your top-level categories, create custom landing pages for each one, and assign the right templates to collections and products. Then, we'll connect everything through dynamic menus, so the right navigation shows up depending on what section the customer is browsing. Start by defining your top-level categories. This could be by audience like men, women, kids, or by department like clothing, shoes, bags. Each top-level category needs a dedicated landing page. The first category will be based on the home page, while others will use collection templates. Once you set up the home page for the first top-level category, we'll copy its structure into a collection template, which we'll later assign to the second top-level category. Here's how to do it. Go to Online Store, Edit Code, find index.json under the Templates folder. Copy all its contents into Collection Parent Collection 2. Then, replace the content of Parent Collection 2 with sections relevant to the top-level category. Now, you can duplicate the Parent Collection 2 template again from the theme editor for your third top-level category. Once your templates are ready, assign each to the right collection. Now, create a top-level menu with your main categories. Select the home page for the first menu item, and for the other top-level categories, link to their corresponding collections. Next, build a separate menu for each top-level category. These menus will drive the bottom navigation. Each menu handle must exactly match the name of the top-level category. Once you've created all the menus for each top-level category, you need to assign the menu to the header and enable the Smart Category menu. Next, we need to let the system know which top-level category each collection belongs to. To do this, we'll create a meta field at the collection level. Then, go to Products, Collections, select all collections and click Bulk Edit. Uncheck all unnecessary checkboxes and leave only the column with the meta field you created, and assign each collection to its top-level category by filling in the field with the relevant category name. Make sure your products are also linked to a top-level category. You can use either tags or metafills. To use metafills, follow the same steps as with collections. Just create the metafield under the product entity instead of collection. That's it. Now your store navigation is smarter, cleaner, and tailored to what your customer is browsing. Want more help? Check out the docs or contact support.